Ernest Saves Christmas, starring Jim Varney, returns in a moment.
Seasons greetings in our souls.
Yummy fruity pebbles in our bowls. Oh, here comes you-know-who. Yabba dabba fruit, delicious stew. Oh, I'm hungry. Santa, my pebbles! Your pebbles? 'Tis the season to be sharing, Fred. Happy holidays, pal.
Oh, Fred. Fruity and Cocoa Pebbles cereals, part of this nutritious breakfast.
Make your do-it-yourselfer's wish come true. Choose from these hard-working Craftsman drills or saber saw, your choice. Just $29.99. They're great gift ideas from Craftsman. Only at Sears.
Come see the merry side of Sears.
Ernest Saves Christmas continues.
Santa, I've got to get going. Your boys are facing rush hour traffic, and I've got to make sure they get the you-know-what over to the you-know-where by you-know-when.